Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your OPPO A77s. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the EasyFax. Okay, and now click on the plus to choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from your gallery and just choose the photo or more than one picture. Like this one, and click import. Now you can adjust the shape to the document, and if you're ready, click arrow. Choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver, and you can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and now you can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just get your free credits or buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.